So new mommy, here is the thing. Loose genital passage after childbirth is annoying you, and it is understandable. But that should not disappoint you, because there are some of the best ways by which you can tighten vagina naturally. Yes, you have heard it right. There are some of the best vagina tightening treatment without surgery that you can opt for, which are extremely easy to use, causes no harm, and gives your body better results that too in long run. The problem of loose genital passage after childbirth is quite common and can be worked upon with some natural ways, of course. Here are some of the valuable things that may help you out deal with the problem. What could be the possible reasons? Well, in this case, the science explains, there are no myths or issues. The reason why such problem occurs is because the egg gets strengthened as the baby tries to come outside. Of course, you can tighten vagina naturally, but make sure the phase is going to take some more time, and it is important that you deal with the problem instead of running away from it. For this, vagina tightening treatment without surgery is possible with the help of Shabab tablets. Remember, don't just rely on the capsules, as there are some other workouts that you need to follow to pace up the results in much better manner. The right way to tighten the genital passage after giving birth to a child. It is but obvious that after childbirth, this is the most common complaint that any new mommy would be doing to their partners. Well, the fact is, too loose genital passage initially could be the problem. Of course, to tighten vagina naturally, there are many ways, but the reasons possible is because the muscle tone gets decreased and the friction that usually happens at the time of making out also reduces. Shabab tablets are one of the effective vagina tightening treatment without surgery that you can choose. Of course, it gives better confidence and helps you leave the most satisfactory time with your partner on bed. Shabab tablet not only just offer the most effective approach to tighten vagina naturally, but it also has got the best herbal composition, due to which the other health problems get alleviated. Talking of which, it helps to your body maintain health pH balance. Ensure the flow of the blood stays optimum, and there is also a good sensation in the body, because of which you stay supple, and there is effective protection against other issues like irritation and dryness, to name a few. This is one effective vagina tightening pills without surgery to choose that would give you an experience of youthful tightness, and by which you can intimate the zone and ability to get the maximum pleasure at the time of most romantic moments of the life. You can find more details about Shabab tablets at naturogain.com. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update.